Tausif is a lawyer. Tausif,
yes, ask him.
Please respond.
No, you see, the law has two aspects to it: law in letter and law in spirit.
नहीं, exemption है कि नहीं है? Let's start from there.
But only few days ago, Justice Nariman, the retired Justice Nariman, hello, Arre Baba, please come on, have patience, Swati. Don't pounce on me.
I am not. I'm just saying, since the question is whether there's exemption or not.
Justice Nariman, retired Justice Nariman, please, hold your horses. Come on. I am quoting Justice Nariman. Yesterday only he said that this is totally illegal, survey is illegal, and all these requests and pleadings pending in court will have to be dismissed. They will be dismissed because the law does not permit so. And you're talking about BJP people. Swati, can we forget that these are the BJP people who believe that Indian cow gives golden milk because
I am not talking about BJP people. I am not talking about BJP people or any other people.
And these
I
are
am
the
talking
BJP
about
people
statements that are provocative in nature. And I am asking you, is there an exemption or not?
Yes.
Facts पर बात करते हैं सर. Exemption है कि नहीं है?
And I am clearly saying there is no exemption. Clearly saying no exemption. Justice Nariman has repeated it, there is no exemption. And these are BJP people in power. BJP people with guns, and they're opening fire.
ASI protected monuments you're saying are not exempted?
Sambal, they've killed
ASI protected monuments are not exempted?
Mad people with mad people.
अरे what kind of no 1 second mad people ये बोलने से नहीं होगा. ये बोलने से नहीं होगा. 1 second Tausif, we need to call out people who are spreading misinformation and spreading misleading 1 second misleading information should not be entertained by anybody because that is dangerous for everyone. Now tell me Tausif, is it justified to say कि अशांति फैल जाएगी? You're a lawyer, at least you should not say this. People should have some trust in the courts and let the courts decide the merit.
Of course. What happened? What happened in Sambal? Sambal is an example. 5 Muslim youth were killed by police firing.
1 second. No, 1 second.
Live example.
That is the whole problem. That is the whole problem.
Yes,
no. 1 second. That is the whole problem, Tausif. Every time a question is asked on Places of Worship Act or the arguments in the court, you go back to Sambal. What happened in Sambal was that there was stone pelting which happened. There were rioters on the road who clashed with the police. They clashed with the police.
That's a very old. See, these.
No, that is the fact.
These BJP guys who says
that is what happened, sir.
They will say that
things were caught on camera. Things were caught on camera, sir.
पत्थर का जवाब police cannot open fire. Under no law can police open fire. Under no law can police open fire and kill
पुलिस को वहाँ खड़े रह के पत्थर खाने चाहिए. By the way, पुलिस पर भी firing हुई, but that's fine according to you. That's justified. If the police personnel are getting injured, that's fine. Stones can be pelted on them. You can fire at them. You can open fire at the policemen, but they have no right to protect themselves. Dr. Ranganathan.
Thank you so much, because my good friend Tausif said there are no exceptions. I want to quote verbatim. Verbatim. अब मैं अपना नाम चेंज कर लूंगा अगर मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ. Section 3 of the Places of Worship Act 1991. Nothing contained in subsection 1 and subsection 2 shall apply to A. Any place of worship referred to in the said subsection which is an ancient and historical monument or an archaeological site or remains covered by the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958 or any other law for the time being in force. Apologize on national television now. You are caught lying and you are a lawyer. What kind of a lawyer you are? You don't even know the place of worship act. You should be ashamed.
You know nothing. Anand Ranganathan,
you do not know the act.
I demand that your certificates be withdrawn. I demand that you be put behind bars for misleading people. You know nothing. Do you know the concept of the spirit in law and letter of law? Do you know the concept? You don't know.
I'm quoting the act and he's asking me to be jailed.
You only come and read what is given to you by BJP media cell. You are handed a note from by BJP media cell.
Are you saying this is not what Section 43A of Places of Worship Act says?
You are not qualified.
What is going on here?
One second, Tausif.
And this guy wants me
Tausif,
jailed for
one
it.
second.
the
One second,
statute is
Tausif.
a
Sharia law nahi hai yahan pe,
Tausif, one second.
come on.
Tausif, one second. Do not.
We are
There's no
not
need to
under
take
Sharia law.
personal. There's no need to make these personal attacks and personal comments. Are you? One second. Let me finish now. आप मुझे नहीं बोल रहे. Don't pounce on everyone else who has a different opinion and point of view. Who are you to give these certificates?
Why don't you? No. Of course, cow dung cannot cure cancer. BJP says cow dung can cure cancer, and you will allow that.
Tausif, what kind of an argument is that?
BJP says.
What kind of an argument is that? Dr. Ranganathan read section 4.3a of Places of Worship Act. इसमें BJP और cow dung कहाँ से आ जाता है?
They believe that every mosque beneath it has a temple. You allow that. How can you allow that?
People can think what they want to, but ultimately one second, Tausif. No, one second. If you believe there are no temples under the mosque, you can think like that. If Dr. Ranganathan and others believe there are temples under every mosque, they can think like that. But they cannot go stand there and say, okay, this is my temple. They have to go to the court. They have to go to the court. There are courts in this country. There are courts in this country. The Supreme Court of India gave a verdict on the Ram Janmabhoomi case or not. The Supreme Court of India ultimately decided the Ram Janmabhoomi case. The Supreme Court decided, and everybody had the right to approach the Supreme Court. Similarly, irrespective of what you think and I think, people have the right to go to the courts. And how can you block their rights? How can you block their rights by saying stop entertaining such surveys?